Hello everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian with Bitcoin Fam, and today's video is going to be on Link. So if you could, please hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, the like, leave a comment, all of that will really help us out. Thanks. So before we get started, I have to put the disclaimer out there. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It is my opinions only and for entertainment purposes. So we'll go ahead and get right into it. Today's video, of course, is on Chainlink. So they're building the Internet of Contracts. So Chainlink connects the data and computation and all of that stuff that is off the blockchain and connects it to the blockchain. So, they're empowering smart contract developers to build feature-rich Web3 applications, seamless access to real-world data that's off-chain, which is huge, and the cross-chain interoperability across any blockchain, providing global enterprises with a universal gateway to all blockchains. That's amazing what they're doing. So you can see they're connecting the world to blockchains, and you can see the products they have: data streaming, market data feeds, proof of reserve, cross-chain communication. You can see the use case scenarios. They're in all aspects: financial services, DeFi, gaming, NFTs, climate markets, enterprise, insurance. You can see the ecosystems they're in. You can see their global enterprise partners. They're partnered with Swift, T-Mobile, Amazon, Google Cloud. They're huge. So they're definitely a company I want to, have some long-term interest in. And so that's what I'm looking to. Currently I don't have any Link, but I'm going to be looking at getting some, definitely. I decided to do Link this morning for my token, and the things I'm discovering is just blowing my mind. They have over 1,800 projects. If we just look at the ecosystem, there are 893 projects and 2,210 integrations. It's crazy how big they are, and that's only happened over the last 7 years. Just all these different companies that are involved using Link. It's a great ecosystem. And everybody needs it because there's so much data that's off-chain that needs to get put onto the blockchain. So, you can see at DeFi, there's 712 partners. They have 532 partners with the NFT, gaming, blockchain, data providing, node operator. All of these things they're doing, it's phenomenal. So after I looked through this, and I'm not going to go ahead and go through all the material I've read, but there's a lot of information. Like always, you want to do your own research as well. But a little bit of searching and you're going to find so much incredible stuff on Link. So then I wanted to go to, of course, CoinGecko and look at what's going on with it. Over the last 24 hours, it's down just under 1%. Not too worried about that, but you can see the market cap is a little over 4 billion, but they have very good trading volume. 177 million trading volume over the last 24 hours. That tells me that I can get in and out of it pretty easily. A lot of volume going on. And you can see total supply is 1 billion tokens, and then a little over half of that, a little over 500 million of them are circulating right now, 550 million. So a little over half of them. So we can go down here and just look at a little more data. You can see the last 24 hours on that chart, but I'll go into a chart reading here in a little bit. Current price, $7.58. You can see its all-time high was $52.70, and that was, going into the peak of the last bull market. So, I think there's room to grow, definitely room to grow. So you can see here, Link all-time low. I think that might have been roughly when they came out. That was at the peak, going into the peak of the bull market in 2017. So they did all this growth and building through the bear market, 2018, 19 time frame. And they've continued building. They're growing. They have new partners joining with them all the time. So anyway, I really like Link. I think it falls under oracles. If you look at we can go cryptocurrencies by categories. Let's see what they have by categories. So we click on this real quick. I think they're under the oracle category. There's not many of them either. So let's see at the different categories what we have here. Stable coins. Let's see. Here we go, Oracle. So let's see what's under Oracle. And here we are. There's actually quite a few of them, believe it or not. More than I anticipated, but you can see you have Link is the top. They're the strongest in the class. And then there's Band Protocol, and then Teller. I do have some Teller. I'll probably do a little video on that at some point. Anyway, so it's very strong, and overall it's 19th largest crypto on our market cap ranking. So very strong coin, very strong. It's not going to be going anywhere. So now I went to the charts, and I was looking at the charts, and this is a daily candle wick again. You can roughly see, just using the data from this year, pretty much starting in January, you could see where it was, up there quite a bit. Back in January, it was, over $20. So, and now we can see, I was looking at the chart, and we're been in a sideways channel since May. So May, June, July, August, it's like a good 5-6 months. And you can see it's been bouncing between roughly $9 and $5.50 on the low side. And it's just been in this channel. So I think, and we just had a golden cross happen on the daily charts where the 50-day moving average just went above the 200-day moving average. And we've had this nice little rise. I think we're coming back down to test this level here. And then it's going to go back up, and then we're going to bump here on this resistance, and who knows what it's going to do there. If it breaks above this resistance, comes back and tests it as support, and then goes back up, we could see $18 to $20 on this coin, and this could happen by the end of the year. So pretty exciting. If me, I'm going to be buying it for long term, to hold it for the next couple of years, get through through the next this coming up bull market. So I would buy anywhere, anywhere around $7.50 for me is what I'm looking to get in at it. So I'll be happy with that because of the long term. But if someone was trading this, you'd probably want to wait till you see the breakout above $9, come back and retest that $9 level as support, and then turn around. That's where, if I was just, swing trading it, that's where I'd be looking to get in. And then I would have, roughly, if I went from here, just say I got in around 947, right? And then I got to this resistance here. That's like 85-90% gain on a swing trade. So anyway, that's if I was trading, swing trading it. I'm not. I'm just going to be building a position. So I'm going to buy anywhere in this area. I'll probably wait for it to dip a little more, maybe get down, back down to like 730, 725, somewhere in there. Anyway, so I really like Link. I think this is really, really going to be a strong coin going through this next bull market. I think it's definitely going to hit its all-time high, which we saw its all-time high as, oops, excuse me. Let's go back to Link. I want to say it was like $52.70. So, we go 52.70. you know, and let's divide that by its current price, 762. You know, that's almost a 700% gain. But I really think even if it did half of that, which I think it definitely will, just to me, looking at the charts, it's going to go at least to $20, you know, so that's almost a 300% gain anyway. So I think that's definitely going to happen. So that's all I have for Link today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you could, please hit the like, subscribe button, make a comment. All of that will really help us out. Everybody have a great day. Talk to you soon.